Microsoft's Majorana 1 chip represents a significant advancement in the world of quantum computing. It promises to revolutionize how we approach complex computational problems. Why call it Majorana? Well, it's named after the theoretical physicist Ettore Majorana. He is best known for his groundbreaking work on neutrinos. He also developed the Majorana equation. It describes particles that are their own antiparticles. The Majorana 1 chip is not just another step in quantum technology. It could redefine the landscape of computing as we know it. At its core, quantum computing leverages the principles of quantum mechanics. They do this to perform calculations at speeds unattainable by classical computers. Traditional computers use bits as their basic unit of information, which can either be a 0 or a 1. In contrast, qubits, quantum bits, can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This is due to a phenomenon known as superposition. This allows quantum computers to process vast amounts of data concurrently. Think of a qubit like a spinning coin. While it's in the air, it can represent both heads and tails at once. This duality enables quantum computers to tackle problems that grow exponentially complex with each additional variable. This is something that classical computers struggle with. The Majorana 1 chip currently houses 8 topological qubits. There are ambitious plans to scale up to 1 million on a single chip. This leap is possible due to the chip's innovative design, which utilizes topological superconductors. This is a new class of materials that provide enhanced stability and error resistance compared to traditional qubits. Topological superconductors are akin to a new state of matter that behaves differently from solids, liquids, or gases. They allow for the creation of Majorana particles. They are unique in that they can effectively hide quantum information from disturbances, making them less prone to errors. This characteristic is vital for practical quantum computing applications. The architecture of Majorana 1 is particularly noteworthy. It features aluminum nanowires shaped like the letter H. Each arm of the H contains controllable Majorana particles that form a single qubit. This design allows for compact integration of qubits and control electronics, significantly simplifying the system architecture. Imagine trying to build a vast city with intricate roads and buildings. If each structure is designed with simplicity and connectivity in mind, you can expand efficiently without overwhelming complexity. That's precisely what Microsoft aims for with Majorana 1. A scalable architecture that can grow from 8 qubits to millions without losing functionality. Here are some interesting facts about Majorana 1. Compact size. Despite its potential power, the Majorana 1 chip is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. Error resistance. The topological nature of its qubits makes them inherently more stable than those used in other quantum chips. Historical significance. The concept behind Majorana particles has been theorized since the 1930s. However, it has only recently been realized in practical applications. Digital control. Microsoft's approach allows for simple voltage pulses to control qubits. It's as simple as flipping a light switch. In summary, Microsoft's Majorana 1 chip stands at the forefront of quantum computing innovation. It harnesses the unique properties of topological superconductors and Majorana particles. The chip paves the way for a future where quantum computers can address some of humanity's most pressing challenges. This can potentially happen within just a few years rather than decades. We hope you have learned something useful about Majorana 1, the world's first quantum processing unit, QPU, powered by a topological core, designed to scale to 1 million qubits on a single chip.